Ever wonder why a toucan's beak is so large? These striking birds with their oversized bills stir intrigue and admiration. Is it for aesthetics or does it serve a more practical purpose? How does this seemingly cumbersome feature aid them in their daily life? The toucan, with its flamboyant beak, is an enigma that has puzzled nature enthusiasts and scientists alike. From the rainforests of Central and South America, these birds have a tale to tell. Stay with us as we unravel the mysteries of the toucan. A toucan's vibrant colors are not just for show. It's a dazzling spectacle of nature's artistry, a riotous explosion of hues that captures the eye and captivates the imagination. But these colors serve a multitude of purposes beyond mere aesthetics. The toucan's colors act as a visual language in the wild. The radiant yellow throats and chests of many toucan species are like neon signs in the rainforest, designed to attract potential mates. Their dramatic black bodies, on the other hand, provide a stark contrast, a visual deterrent that can intimidate potential predators, and it doesn't stop there. These colors also serve as a form of camouflage, blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy of their tropical habitats. This helps the toucan stay hidden from predators and sneak up on unsuspecting prey. So, when you look at a toucan, remember this. You're not just admiring a work of art. You're witnessing a survival strategy honed over millions of years. So, a toucan's colors are not just beautiful, they're functional too. Why does a toucan have such a large beak? The answer might surprise you. A toucan's beak, an oversized, colorful marvel, is a classic example of nature's ingenuity. It's not just a fashion statement, it's an evolutionary masterpiece designed for survival. The most striking feature of a toucan is its gigantic beak. It's almost 1/3 of its total body length, and yet it's astonishingly light. This is because it's made of keratin, the same material that makes up our hair and nails. It's a honeycomb-like structure that helps keep the beak lightweight while maintaining its strength. One of the primary functions of a toucan's beak is heat regulation. Just like a radiator, the beak disperses heat to help the bird cool down. In the tropical rainforests, where toucans call home, the temperatures can get quite high. The large surface area of the beak allows the toucan to effectively regulate its body temperature, keeping it cool even on the hottest of days. But the beak isn't just for staying cool, it's also an incredible tool for gathering food. The length of the beak allows the toucan to reach fruit on branches that are too thin to support its weight. It's like having a personal fruit picker at the end of your face. Moreover, the sharp edges of the beak are perfect for peeling fruit, while the serrated edges help the toucan grip and tear its food. Furthermore, the beak serves as a sort of social tool among toucans. The vibrant colors can signal health and vitality to potential mates, and the size of the beak can communicate dominance or deter potential rivals. In the world of toucans, the beak is much more than just a physical trait. It's a statement piece, a survival tool, and a social signal all rolled into one. In essence, a toucan's beak is a multi-purpose tool, essential for its survival. Contrary to popular belief, toucans eat more than just fruit. Their diet is as varied as a tropical rainforest and just as fascinating. Yes, they do love fruit, and it's a major part of their diet, but they're not strictly frugivores. They're opportunistic feeders, and that means they'll eat just about whatever they can get their beaks on. Insects, for instance, are a regular part of a toucan's menu. These birds are deft hunters, using their long beaks to pluck insects out of crevices in trees or snatch them out of the air. Their keen eyesight helps them spot these tiny creatures from afar, turning a leisurely flight through the canopy into a hunting expedition. But insects aren't the only protein source for these colorful birds. Have you ever imagined a toucan raiding a bird's nest? Well, it happens more often than you'd think. These birds have been known to feast on the eggs of other birds when given the chance. They'll even eat small animals like lizards or tree frogs if the opportunity arises. This diverse diet gives the toucan its energy and the necessary nutrients to maintain its vibrant plumage. It's a testament to the adaptability of these creatures, their ability to make the most of their environment. Indeed, a toucan's diet is as diverse as its vibrant colors. It's a fascinating glimpse into the life of these captivating birds, and another reason why they continue to intrigue and delight us. Toucans are social creatures, but how social are they really? Now, this is a question that needs answering. Let's dive into the rich social tapestry of toucan society. Like us humans, toucans thrive on interaction. They live together in large, boisterous groups called flocks, which can comprise up to 30 individuals. This is quite the party, isn't it? In these flocks, toucans nurture a sense of community and cooperation. They share the responsibility of safeguarding their territory, alerting each other of potential threats. But it's not all work and no play. Flocks also engage in lively games of beak fencing, a sort of playful tussle that strengthens social bonds. Now, these birds are not just social, they're also quite the homemakers. Nesting is a communal affair for toucans. They favor the cozy confines of tree hollows, and they don't mind sharing. In fact, several pairs may nest in the same tree, turning it into a bustling, feathered apartment complex. But how do these colorful characters communicate? Well, they have a whole range of vocalizations at their disposal. From croaks and squawks to high-pitched whistles, each sound carries a different message. A sharp yelp might signal danger, while a soft coo could be a call of reassurance. And let's not forget their beaks. These vibrant billboards serve as powerful social tools, used for everything from attracting mates to asserting dominance. There's also something profoundly touching about the way toucans care for their young. Both parents share the duty of incubation and feeding, demonstrating an admirable level of parental devotion. The young ones are never left alone, always watched over by their protective parents or other members of the flock. In the end, it's clear that toucans lead rich social lives. They revel in the company of their kind, communicating, cooperating, and caring for each other in ways that are both fascinating and heartwarming. Toucans, it turns out, are quite the social butterflies of the bird world. Let's recap the fascinating world of toucans. We've journeyed through the vibrant life of these remarkable birds, exploring their many intriguing facets. From the functional beauty of their colors, serving as camouflage and communication, to the mystery of their large beaks, a marvel of natural engineering that does more than just impress. We've also delved into the diverse diet of these birds, debunking the common misconception that they're strictly fruit eaters. Their menu includes insects, small reptiles, and even eggs, showing us how opportunistic these creatures can be. Furthermore, we've learned about their social nature. Toucans aren't solitary creatures. They thrive in dynamic groups, engaging in playful interactions and communal nesting, painting a picture of a lively, interactive bird society. So next time you see a toucan, remember there's more to this bird than meets the eye. These are creatures of complexity and wonder. They truly are a testament to the marvels of the natural world.